We are just inch away from new all-time highs. Hey there, Tamir from FIBONACCI.com, your daily market recap. Like, subscribe. Let's hit the charts. We are 0.9% into new all-time highs on the SPY, also on the QQQ, not so far from new all-time highs. SPY closed the day at the high of the day. Now the 518, that was resistance, was support. 518 now once again is the support. Super bullish on the SPY going into new all-time highs. Can we get a new all-time highs closing the week? Let me know in the comments below what do you think. This is how it looks. Since last Friday we are already in this uptrend channel. Look at this. We have this lower uptrend line, we have this trend line, we are inside an uptrend channel breaking up and above, and we will see 525 to the upside. QQQ hanging above the 440 area. Look at this, bulls are here, bulls are super strong. Now let's see continuation. Can we get a new all-time highs weekly close? Only 1.3%, and we will see it. Overall, bulls are here. This retracement just got over. Dow Jones with almost 1% to the upside, hanging above the yellow zone. This double bottom scenario, we've talked about this double bottom scenario since end of April, and here we are. 394, this gap will get filled, maybe even Friday. And then also new all-time highs on the Dow Jones. Dow Jones very, very strong. IWM closed the day with 1% to the upside. Let's clean the chart a little bit. This gap got filled. Now going back, retesting this blue trend line, the upper border of the blue broadening formation as the next resistance together with the 208. Now the upper border of the yellow zone, the 204 area, is the support. Bitcoin, for the time that I'm recording this video, as you can see, Bitcoin trying to get back inside the yellow zone, but we are still below this blue trend line. We are still inside an downtrend channel. Ethereum, same thing, still inside the downtrend channel, still below the yellow zone. Lower highs, lower lows on Ethereum, which means downtrend on all crypto land until proven otherwise. Magnificent 7 ETF, the MAGS, basically in the past week, sideways move with the 39.50 as support. 40.50 is the resistance. Let's see how it will close the week. For now, bullish also on the MAGS, SOXX, the semiconductors ETF, trying, as you can see, this area, this downtrend white line together with the upper border of the yellow zone, very tough area of resistance. When we talk about support and resistance, it's always about areas of support and resistance. It's never an accurate price. Always think about an area of support, area of resistance, and here we are. We have this area of resistance. Can the SOXX close the week above the 218, 219, and then next week going into 224 and 231? KRE continues its journey to the upside, still getting rejected by the 50-50 area. We can take the Fibonacci, the FTI, to the upside. Long continuation, and we will meet 51.90, and then this gap at the 52.70 will get filled. Overall, KRE, the 50-50 area is a very, very tough resistance. Let's see, can KRE break and close the week above it? XLU, every day that goes by, this ETF, the utilities ETF, the XLU is getting stronger and stronger by the day. Now next resistance is the 73.80 and 76. 7.890 to the upside. This is how XLU looks on the weekly. Super strong. We can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, hanging above the 69. Next resistance is the 72.70, and then towards the 78.25. like, subscribe, don't go anywhere. We have many more stocks to talk about. Apple, this is how it looks on the weekly for now. Inside candle on the weekly. This is how it looks on the daily. Hanging above the 182. Looks very good, Apple. As long as Apple is above the 182, we can assume that the next resistance we will meet the 187 and then 193.24 to the upside. And by the way, everything that you see and hear on my channel is for educational purposes only. Nothing that you see is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I do have a 7 years plus of experience reading candlesticks, using Fibonacci and trend lines, but in the end of the day, you need to do your own due diligence. Microsoft still inside the yellow zone. I want to see break up and above the 414 area, at least another 2-3 days above it. If Microsoft will end the week above it, for me, it's still not enough. Look at this, one candle just doesn't change the overall sentiment. Microsoft ended the first week of February over here. This is Friday, February 9th, and then just went back inside. So one candle does not change the overall sentiment. At least Friday, Monday, and then Tuesday, we will reassess going into long on Microsoft. And by the way, if you want to join an elite team of traders, swing traders, option traders, day traders, crypto traders, join the Fibonacci-Traders Discord. We are helping one another day in, day out to do one thing: make money. So join the Fibonacci-Traders Discord, choose your path to financial freedom. Check the links in the description below. Join us today so you will start making money and you will be prepared for the second half of 2024. Meta still hanging inside the yellow zone. Let's see if Meta can close this gap at the 484, and then the 486 will be the next major resistance. It was resistance over here, became support, broke to the downside post earnings, and now getting back inside. Meta for now looks very strong. Amazon almost new all-time highs. Let's see, let's check Amazon. Yeah, we got ourselves new all-time highs, intraday new all-time highs, but as you can see, close the day with a doji hanging above the lower border of this option channel. And as long as we are inside this option channel, Amazon is going back to the 192, 198, and then 207 to the upside. Google, very strong, the strongest of them all if you ask me, hanging above the 169. Now let's see continuation towards the 174, breaking above the 174, and we will see 191 to the upside. Netflix, inside candle, not surprising after this bull run. Look at this, Netflix since beginning of May, 13%, almost 13% to the upside. And you know that 13 is a Fibonacci number. If we can be a little bit more accurate, from this candle's low to this candle's high, look at this, 13.6%. 13 is a Fibonacci number, hanging above the Fibonacci support, the upper border of the yellow zone, the 602. Above 616, we will see 640 to the upside. Tesla, 1.6% to the downside. Tesla is in a downtrend. Tesla bulls are not here. Tesla bears are in full control. And as you can see, the upper border of the yellow zone from resistance to support. Now in the past 2 trading days, once again, resistance, the 168.80 is the support. Below it, 161.75. Ignore the name that you are trading. Ignore the news. Ignore the noise. The only thing that you need to trade is price action. That's it. Nothing more. Only price action. Ignore the name. Ignore that it's Tesla. Ignore. Don't fall in love in a stock. Don't fall in love in the company. The only thing that matters is read the price action, and the price action on this name, for now, downtrend until proven otherwise. Nvidia 1.80% to the downside, but on the good side, holding above the upper border of the yellow zone. Now let's see if Nvidia can break and close the week above the 917, breaking below the 886, and this gap at the 862 will get filled. MicroStrategy 2.5% to the upside, but overall continues to slide down on this red trend line. We have a gap over here at the 1143, this at 1145. This gap needs to get filled, and maybe then we will get the next leg up towards the 1385. But for now, if you ask me, and it's only my opinion, there is no long on MicroStrategy. AMD still sliding down. As you can see, trend lines give you the trend direction. Do not fight the trend. If you know how to draw trend lines with no confirmation bias, never be biased, just follow price, use trend lines and Fibonacci, and once you really understand the in-depth candles, in-depth relationship between candlestick analysis, the universal language of price action, on multi-time frames, Fibonacci, and trend lines, believe me, you will start seeing things you never saw before. Palantir continues its way to the downside towards the 20. Shopify, nothing much, inside candle holding above the 60-60, breaking below, and 49 will be next. Don't go anywhere. We still have more stocks to talk about, super interesting stocks that we are holding for a swing in the Fibonacci Traders Discord. Love, L-O-V-E, the LoveSec company from my previous top stocks to watch, just gave us 7.6% to the upside. Now let's see continuation towards the 2780 and 3044. APD also, Air Products and Chemicals, also from my last top stocks to watch, which I posted last Sunday, gave us 1.8% to the upside. Now let's see continuation, and we will see this gap over here at the 255. SGML that we are holding already since last Friday, each and every day. SGML giving us more and more, already 15% since we started taking this long position on the swing. So if you don't want to miss any of these setups, join the Fibonacci Traders Discord, and I promise you, you will not miss any of these setups, because we have many sets of eyes on swings, on day trades, on cryptos, on options, whatever you want. It's not only you looking at the market. You have at least 30-40 sets of eyes more that helps you catch the trend. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, like, subscribe. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. Choose your path to financial freedom. Until the next video, stay safe.